This workflow allows you to update an order in ShipStation when it's updated in Shopify. For example, customer goes in, updates their address on the Shopify side. That will trigger the order updated there, and we can test that out. What is that, 1248? Is that the one? All right, and then I've got it loaded up in ShipStation here. By the way, when you want to grab your credentials in ShipStation to configure it, that's going to be here under Account API Settings. And then you'll see the API key and secret that you can add in there. So let's go ahead and test it. And we should see this 8, see that address update there. So that is pretty much it. That'll help you to ship to the right place if you've got an order that was sent over to ShipStation and then the address was changed after the fact. As always, you can find these demos on the automation demo section of the blog. And feel free to reach out if you'd like any help setting that up.